बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। This is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning button craft ideas. These are super easy, super amazing, and most creative and stunning button recycling craft ideas for you guys. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are stunning and very beautiful button craft ideas for you guys. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys. And you also share this video with your friends. And if you don't know about how to make these type of graphic, then you watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of button craft. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. These are very amazing and very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very stunning ideas for you guys, so keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very amazing ideas for you guys. Thank you for so much for supporting my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye guys.